You ready?
Yes.
I got you all a phone.
Yay!
Where
Is it just one phone or just for all of us?
Booyah!
A flip phone. Those are those old phones.
Booyah! Hey, you been wanting one? So I got y'all one.
Where's mine?
Is this mine?
No, it's all of y'all's.
Boo! I want
Wait, what did you
one.
just touch the screen for?
I didn't touch the screen.
You didn't touch the screen like that?
Now I just went like this.
Oh.
How do you work it?
How do you work it?
I don't know how to work these phones. I want to see.
You know how to work an iPhone,
iPhone, yeah.
but you don't know how to work a flip phone.
No. Let me see when you're done. Can I see? Let me see. Wait.
You might jump the thing.
I won't. So there's a camera so you can take pictures?
There's no camera on there.
Wait, is there a back?
Go to home. There's a home page.
Go to home
Go
page.
to home page. Okay, that looks beautiful.
Oh, it has menu. Can I see it? Oh, no.
Yeah, you did.
No, you say this
Oh man, I hurt my stomach. It's not even May.
It's the 8th.
They said May.
Can you figure it out?
I'm just looking at the thing.
He's pressing buttons.
Pressing my buttons.
Call my phone.
Okay, let me try.
Okay, let me go.
No. Try.
Oh,
You just sound like What do I do?
what you doing?
Oh, let me try.
Can't see.
Call my phone.
We're trying to!
Y'all gotta knock on wood.
There.
Jane, you can knock on. Oh, touch red.
Red. Done.
Touch red, touch red. Or my
What about
glasses.
Mommy? Or Jaden. And your hat. You fixed it. How did you I didn't fix nothing.
Wow, then why did you say you fixed it?
I don't know. It's called...
What did you?
We
How did you do that?
There.
Oh, wait. Go back. No? What did you say?
So, all this time you still haven't figured out how to do it?
Yes, because...
Because why?
Of you.